As you already know, battery life is really important when it comes to using our PC. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your computer's battery life. And to do this, all you need to do is go to your command prompt, right click on it and run as administrator. Now, once you run this, you need to type in the command powercfg / battery report and hit enter. Once you do this, you would see a message that the battery life report saved to this file path, and we're just going to go to this file path, Windows System32, and then you will find this file battery report.html. So let's do that right away. You head over to your C drive. Let's go to this PC, your C drive, Windows System32, which is right here, and then we're looking for a file named battery report that we generated from that command prompt. And now right click or just run with any browser. I want to run this with the Edge browser. There's a bunch of information that you will get. The first information is basic information about your computer and a bunch of other recent usage and all of that stuff. So you can take your time to really check details of how you use your computer. There are various categories, but the most important category the most important information that you should look out for is this information about design capacity and full charge capacity. Now, what this is the design capacity is the capacity that the manufacturer actually designed for this computer to have. And then the full charge capacity is after using your computer for a while, what is the charge capacity that your battery can hold right now. So the battery is like any other thing, like most things in life, depreciate. Over time, as you use your computer, you would find that the full charge capacity starts to reduce, which means if you charge your battery to, even if it says it's 100%, it's not actually to the capacity that it was designed to be, because it's beginning to die. So for you to know that your computer has a good battery, this number, the full charge capacity number, should be equal to or very close to the design capacity. If the full charge capacity number is half the number of the design capacity, that means your battery is half gone, and just like that. So this is the thing that's going to tell you what your battery capacity is. And right now I'm really in a good zone. This is showing right now that I still have exactly the same capacity as it was designed to be, which is a good thing. So this information is what you really need. So that's how you quickly and easily check your battery capacity or your battery life. I hope you found this video insightful. In another video, I'm going to show you tips and tricks on how to use your computer and maximize your battery while keeping it for the longest time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.